Welcome to my YouTube channel, Shari's Math Academy. Today I'm going to do the grade 10 English medium lesson, that is Logarithms Part 2. Now we'll see how to find the log values of numbers, log value, right? A logarithm lesson is used to multiply and divide the huge numbers and the very small numbers. So that's why we learn the logarithm lesson, right? Now look at this number. Before we find the logarithm, you must know this. 4.567. 567. That is the first to identify characteristic value. Right? What is the characteristic value of this number? Right, 4.567. The decimal place is in front of one digit, right? Decimal place is, that is a standard form. The characteristic value is 0. We won't change, right? If it is in another place, we will change it. I'll explain in the next example. Always the number should be whole number, decimal, 567. Then the characteristic value is 0. Then you find the logarithm of this number, right? 0 point, right? You go to the logbook. Logbook, you find 45, right? Identify the 45 and 6. Right? You have numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that on the top bar. Right? 45. Here you get 44, 43. Identify the 45 and 6 because we want 45, 6 logarithm. Then we'll go along 45, 6. There you get a number. That number is, I'll tell us, 659, 45, 6. That is 6590. 6590. Now there is another number. We are getting that number in the mean difference. Mean difference, you find the 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, blah, blah, you get 7. The corresponding value of the mean difference of that number is 7. Then you add that 7 here. Then you get 6597. Then you add this number to the characteristic value, 97. Is that clear? Right, I think it's clear. Right? Now go to the next number. We'll see how to identify the characteristic value. The decimal place past two numbers, right? This is not the correct way. You have to take the decimal place to this side. Then that is 1. I took one number to the front. Decimal place, I pass one number. Then the characteristic value is 1. The normal way, the same way, so 45, 6, that is 65907. There you get 6597. Then mean difference is 7. Get 7. Then you add that. Right? Only here, since this is the same number, you get only the different characteristic values. Now, at this moment, I want to show you how to find the characteristic value and how to use the logarithm book, log book. Right now, here, you will get 2 places. The characteristic value is 2. Right? 2.6597. Here, the decimal place is here. Then you take 3 places. The characteristic value is 3. 3.6597. That's how you find the log value. Okay, right. We'll see how to identify, how to find the anti-log, right? Anti-log. Now we do the opposite, right? Opposite of logarithm is anti-log. Log inverse also we say, but anti-log is the best. Anti-log. Opposite of that. Now you go to the log book and see where is 6597. Sometimes you get exactly, sometimes you don't get. Now here you don't get 6597 here. The smallest now, you get the closer and the smallest number. We get a number here, 6590. That is 45 and 6. Got it? 45 and 6. You write 45. I'll write it here, 45, 6. Later we can put the decimal number. Then what is the balance? That is 7. You find 7. 7 here. In the mean difference, you find where is 7. Now, corresponding value exactly for this 7, also 7. Right? Not the same time. Every time you don't get 7, 7. But here, 7, the corresponding value is 7. Then you write 7 here. Now the characteristic value earlier, if it is no change, that is 0. 0. 0 is no change. That is 4.567. Right? Then the characteristic value is 1. Then characteristic value is 1. Then the decimal place goes there. If it is 0, it's here. If it is 1, it goes here. Right? If it 2, the characteristic value is 2. Then earlier, if it is 0 here, 1 here, then 2 is here. The characteristic value is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. The decimal place goes here. That's how you find the log value. Anti-log value of a number. Right. Okay. Now we'll see the applications of logarithms. Okay, as I told earlier, now these lessons like very short lessons. Just I'm giving this just to like revise, right? Okay, in details. I want to keep the lessons always within 10 to 20 minutes. Then in the exam, you can, during the exam time, you can go quickly. That's why, okay? Now we'll see the applications of logarithms, right? You learn the logarithm to multiply and divide number. Actually, this lesson is, I feel like useless this because we have a lot of devices to find the multiplication calculator. Is the smallest device. Laptops, from the phone you can get, right? Now from this, without the calculators, you have to find the logarithm. When you find the logarithm of a number, as I said earlier, I'll go to the previous one again. Logarithm, we can find that there are some limitations. You can go up to 4 digits. 4 digits, we can find the logarithm only of 4-digit number. Right? That is an advantage. If you get a 5 digit, you round off and find the logarithm. And logarithm, once we find the logarithm answer, that is not the exact answer. That is the round off answer you get. Okay, now keeping that in your mind. Now I want to, now we go to the multiplication. X 25.87 multiplied by 5.18. Right? Now, first step, you get the log value of both the sides, log. In the previous log part 1, I told what is LG, that is base 10 now. Right? LG, you get both the sides LG, log. Then I can break multiplication according to log rules. In the previous lesson, we have that. We can we can break as addition. Then you find the log value of this. What is the characteristic value? 1. 1, we'll see how to find 25, 8. There you get a value. Then go to the mean difference. That is 7. There you get another value. Then you add these two. You get that. That is 4.567. 41 to 8. Now, since the characteristic value is 1, 41 to 8. Now go to this one. This one, 5.18. How do you find the 5.18 logarithm? Right, very easy. Go to the log page of your logarithm book. And 51. Always get the two numbers. 51, 8. Exactly, 51, 8. No, here you get 3 digits. No need to go to the mean difference. If you have only 4, it's only you are going to the mean difference. The characteristic value is 0. No change of decimal. Then 0, there you get 7, 1, 4, 3. Then you add these two. Right? Normal addition. 4.128 add 0.7143. Then 8 plus 3, 1, 11. 1 is remaining. 5, 7, 2, 1, 1.1, 2, sorry, 2.1271. We'll find the anti-log. Now we'll see where in the log book where this opposite now, anti-log. 1271. Where's 1271? I can see 13. So if you want, you can double check with your logarithm book by keeping this. 13, 4, you get exactly this. Then it's easy. No need to worry about the remaining ones. 1, 3, 4. And the decimal characteristic value is 2. If it is 0, it's here. If it is 1, it's here. If it is 2, it's here. Then the final answer is 1, 3, 4. Okay. Right. Now we go to the next one, division one. Division one. Now look at the screen. Division, in logarithm division rule, when you separate, you write this as subtraction. Now, I take this question as x. If you can find the x value, that is the answer. You go to log value. Take log value of both the sides. Log x, log this. Then I separate them into two pieces as subtraction. Now you find the log value of this, plus the characteristic value is 2. Because the decimal place is here, you will take 2 places. Then we'll find in the log book, there's 55. 55. Always get the 2 digits first. Then there you get a number. Then there is another remaining one. That is 2. Right? What is the corresponding value for this 2? Then you add these 2. There you get 270. Sorry, 7035. Right? Since the characteristic value is 2, 2.7035. Now go to the next one. Characteristic value is 1. 1 point. Now go to this one. Right? 12. 12 and 8. 12 and 8. Very easy. What's the corresponding value? And there is the remaining one, 4. You find that value and add them. There you get 1086. Then characteristic value is 1.1. Then 0.1086. Then you add this, subtract these two. There you get 1.5949. Now you find the antilog of this. Now we'll see where's this number. Antilog. 5949. Right? Actually, here you don't get exact answer. Right? There you get 39. 3, you get something. The balance is here. You have to get, it's in the under 5. Under mean difference 5. Then the answer is, third, you add all, get all these numbers together and write 3935. Now we go to the characteristic value. Characteristic value is 1. Then here, if it is 0 is here, then 1. 39.35. Right? You must know how to find logarithm, log number, and the anti-log. Very well. Then this lesson is very easy. Okay, you are given the log book in the exam. So that is also so easy then. Right? Now we go to another example where you get multiplication and division all together. Right? As like earlier, you take log value of both the sides. Then log of this, log of this, log of this. Then you can separate. Now look at this multiplication, and you are separated as addition. Since this is a division, you are wrote as subtraction. Correct? Log x equals this. Then you find the log value of these. Then log x you get as earlier, and I know now you can find the log values. 2.12115. Then x equals anti-log. You take this log to the other side, anti-log of this. These steps are very important. You get marks, right? For the log question, you get around 6 marks out of 10, right? Then characteristic value is here, that is 163, right? I assume you can understand this lesson very well. Subscribe my channel and you get with the click the bell icon also. Then in future you get the future lessons also. Thank you for watching my video.